Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new items on the dressing press update. So there isn't a lot. They did already update everything, so I understand. There's this leather jacket here. There's more items for male, like for the mask body, so I'm happy about that. There's this gym baddie top. There's this top. I can't put it on. It's for the mask body, but there is the Taylor Swift cardigan. Oh my god, that is so cute. I'm the biggest Swiftie ever, so oh my gosh, I'm actually so excited. I'm so excited. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!